Chypre. Hello. Hey guys. Hello. Hey guys. It is late early and I am tired, but I'm filming this video because I gotta do it now because I got some time. I gotta wait because I'm waiting for a call from my friend in France about some purchases in France that I'm getting held for me, or I'm paying for, he's getting, and then holding for me, and then I'm gonna go get. So anyway, it's 3 a.m. and Chypre. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm a fashion freak, a goyard geek, a luxury lover, an Hermes whore, shopaholic shithead. And today we're doing a little review, a classic, the Hermes Chypre Sandals. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, before we get into it, if you guys have the Chypre sandals and you like them, or you hate them, or you have any issues with them, or you love them, or whatever it is, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to know your thoughts. I want to know what other people think of these sandals, because this is my first time getting them, and I've only been using them for a good amount of time, but like I know they've been around for a little bit longer. So if anyone has any more experience than me with these, let me know. I would love to know. And also just want to hear other people's thoughts on these, because I'm a little conflicted, torn. So I want to hear what other people think, because I haven't really talked to anyone else about these. Okay, so basically Hermes Chypre Sandals. So these are the Hermes's not newer, I mean they came out maybe a couple years ago, I don't know exactly when, but they were a newer style. They're an upgrade from the Izmir sandals, or like a, you know, whatever, like a upgrade from the Izmir sandals, which is their traditional men's sandal. I forget what it's called for the women. Oh, shoot, that's gonna kill me. It's the same thing that the bag charms are called. It'll come to me. And if it doesn't, Oran. Okay, so the women's sandal is called the Oran, the men's sandal is called the Izmir, but it's basically their flat sandal, and it's this without this. It's like that, and it's not like structured, it's just flat. I have one, but I'm not getting it. I have a pair that I've never worn, and I'm not getting them out yet, but we'll talk about those later. We'll talk about it now. I guess we can do an Izmir and Chypre comparison, because the Izmir and Oran Chypre comparison, because I don't wear the Izmirs because they're flat, and they didn't feel like, I mean, I got a pair because it's like the pair to get, and I got them in black, and I have them, and they're just sitting there. They're just sitting in my closet at my other place because I don't use them ever. They're basically in storage, but like they're not very comfortable. They're just flat. They just feel flat, and like I didn't really love the way they fit. I just got them because it's just, you know, what you have to get. Like it's one of the things that everyone has. It's just like a classic staple, and I got it without really, like, I mean, I just tried it on for 5 seconds. I didn't really think about it. I just got it. Also, I got it in France in November, so it was like way cheaper. It's gone up twice in price now. Well, French price has gone up, but then it's also the US price has gone up. So like, it just feels like a double. But so I got those, and then I got these on the same trip. So this is the Chypre, as I mentioned, the Chypre sandals. So the Izmirs are kind of like that, but it's the like newer version, the cooler version. It's kind of like a Roman sandal kind of feel, like whatever, Greek sandal kind of feel. And it was really popular in the past couple of years. They have a couple new sandals that have just come out, which we can talk about. Maybe I can do a video about Hermes's new stuff. I want to do a video about Hermes's new stuff, and also Chanel's new Arts and Métiers collection, and whatever other things that I want to do. I want to do more videos just talking about what's coming out, which I do sometimes for Goyard, but not for other brands. Anyway, so this is the Chypre, right? Okay, so the Chypre sandals, these were, I don't know, like 560 euros in Paris when I got them. Now they're like 7 something, I want to say, and then like 780 in the US for the plain ones. And then they come in the fur version, and they come in like, these are all leather, but they come in, or not all leather, but it's leather on top. They come in like a suede and like other materials. But anyway, so it's got this strap with this like little buckle that's adjustable, and it's more structured. So it's got like, you know, like just, it's got grooves for your toe and things like that. It's a little more comfy. So I got these because everyone has them. Like that's a pro and a con now. I feel like everyone has them. Like can't go walking around West Hollywood without seeing people with these now. So it's not as like special or nouveau, but I got them in black. I was really excited to wear them. I was really happy because they're comfortable, and they fit, they slide right in, and they look cool. Like, you know, they have this is the back. But okay, so the pros are, or whatever, the pros, what I like about them is the look, the feel. Like I like that they're like kind of Roman-y and make me feel like a little bit like I'm a Greek god, or like I'm just in olden times. But I want to know what other people think, because like they are a hype shoe. They were very popular, or they are very popular, and it's like they're impossible to get at the store. It's like if you get it, you're like, oh, I got it. You know, when I went in France, they had like 2 pairs left, and I got one of the 2, and I couldn't get the other one because you're only allowed to get one every 6 months in France. And when you get them in the US, they do come more often. They have more in the US, but they are priced higher. But like also getting the right one in your size, like it's hit or miss. And there were times when there were none, and it was impossible to get. And then there were times when there were like 5 or 6. But like last time when I went in January, they had like 6. No, when I went at the end of last year, they had like 5 or 6. That's when I got the suede ones. So anyway, I started wearing them. They broke in pretty easily. Like the leather started, cons I guess, the leather started like bending very fast right here. So like, I guess, you know how you walk or whatever, it's like, I guess my foot thing. Because it only bent on this one and not on this one, which might be like something that I need to look into about my like posture or my whatever, how I hold my weight in my feet. But this one still hasn't cracked anywhere. It's not cracked, it's just like worn leather, which is fine. It's black and I can't really see it. It is pretty comfy, it is tight. You can adjust it and get kind of really tight in there and like really feel a grip, or have it a little loose. I have it kind of loose. And maybe this is something I need to try, is wearing it a little tighter, because so the problem I've had with these, and tell me if I'm wrong with anyone else, is that like I wore them all day one day and this metal started to cut into my foot and I got 2 huge like cuts and blisters on both sides from this metal like just rubbing against my foot, and then those cut, they're gone now, but they were there for weeks. Oh, this one's kind of still basically left there. I don't know if you guys want to see it. I don't know if I should show up. It's like right there. It's kind of like this. I don't know how to actually put this up for you. It's right there. And it was there for a while and it was really painful. So then I couldn't wear them and I couldn't do it. Other than that, I mean, they're pretty comfortable. I mean, beauty is pain, right? But then I wore them again today for like half the day. And at the end of the day, I had these red spots on my toes, on the back, on my pinky toe side. And that one's kind of gone, but that one's still there. And I don't know, like, what caused that, because that's just hidden here the whole time. I guess it's rubbing against this leather. So that's my con number 2. Other than that, I really like them. I mean, they're comfy, they're easy, they kind of go with everything, especially the black. They can make they can be casual, or you can kind of like be like dressy casual, right? They're very recognizable. I always get compliments on them, like literally every time I wear them. Somebody's like, I love your sandals, I love your sandals. Oh my God, I like your sandals, thank you, your sandals are so cool. I'll wear them 560 times. And they'll feel like $1 a day, right? That's all I got. I mean, this is my quick review. This is what, November. I got them in November. I don't think I wore them until maybe March, because there was nowhere to wear them. It's too cold in LA, but still cold. So this is like a 2-3 month review of them, wearing them pretty often, March, April, May, and June. But that's, yeah, I like that it says like Hermès there. It's very subtle. It says Hermès on the sides too, but like, not too like, obviously I think, but the H is, you know, on the top. It's really late. I'm waiting for this call to try to buy a bag in France. So that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. But if you have more questions or you have comments or anything else you want to tell me about these, let me know in the comments below, please. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies. The next time, if you know your time is valuable and know your time is precious, so I appreciate you. And I'm gonna try and go to sleep after this call, baby. Okay. Thank you. Bye.